Hey there, busy moms. Today I have got a quick and delicious veg pulao recipe just for you, perfect for those work from home days when time is precious. So the lunch break starts at 1 p.m. Our time starts now. Rinse basmati rice and keep it aside. Chop your choice of vegetables into big pieces. I added big chunks of potato, full gobi, and also I had some cucumber in the fridge that needed my attention. Haha. Fancy is this soya bean that is soaked in the hot water for some time, and also I added broad beans that is same. Then I have marinated this aloo, gobi and same into salt and turmeric for 5 minutes. Mix and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Heat a deep pan or cooker. Put oil into that. We will add the whole garam masala. I have taken bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon and choti elaichi here. Put everything in the oil and fry it for a bit. At this point, let's add a whole chili that is optional. Now we will add the marinated vegetables into the oil, fry it for a little bit, and then we will take the soya bean, sponge it as in remove the excess water and also add it in the oil. Now let's mix and fry all the vegetables together for some time. We will add whole black pepper, take 4 to 5, and a whole garlic that is cleaned and washed. This whole garlic gives a very nice flavor to the entire dish. Now add a little water and cover the lid and let it cook for some time. After letting it cook for around 3 to 5 minutes, now it is time to add the green vegetables, or you can say the soft vegetables, because it takes less time to cook, hence we are adding it at a later time. After adding all the vegetables, now it's time to add salt and remaining spices. So we are adding here turmeric, then red chili powder, a little bit of jeera powder and a pinch of black pepper. Now mix and cover the lid for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, uncover the lid and check if the vegetables have cooked. Now it's time to add my magical ingredient, that is Maggie masala. Add the soaked rice and mix everything nicely. It's time to add the water now. So water will be double of the quantity of the rice. At last we will add chilies. So I'm adding 4 chilies. It is up to your taste. Now cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the salad to eat with the pulao. After around 7 to 8 minutes, now the pulao is ready. Let's dig in. I am serving it with the fried red chili and hot Szechuan chutney. As my lunch break is about to get over, hence the husband came to the rescue and started serving the food. Well, I made it on time. Still 6 minutes to go. So that's a success, right? Try and comment if you like this quick and easy recipe and subscribe for more.